Thanks, Carlos. In about 3 hours, President Trump is expected to announce his decision on whether to pull the United States out of the Paris Climate Accord. Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin is speaking out today about Russia's meddling in the 2016 election, denying any interference. We could hear from former FBI Director James Comey as well as early as next week about the Russia investigation. Back to the climate change, though, President Trump has received intense pressure from both sides of the aisle to stick with that initiative, but it appears the president is already leaning toward walking away from the deal. President Trump keeping the world in suspense. Will he stay or will he go when it comes to the Paris Climate Agreement?
Any decision on the Paris Climate deal, Mr. President? Are you close? Very soon. I'm hearing from a lot of people both ways.
The president tweeting late last night that he'll announce his decision at 3 p.m. in the White House Rose Garden. Sources, however, saying he'll likely keep his campaign promise.
We're going to cancel the Paris Climate Agreement.
The lobbying has been fierce, both in and outside the White House. It's pretty divided. Ivanka Trump and her husband want to stay in the deal, along with Apple's Tim Cook and Tesla's Elon Musk. Chief strategist Steve Bannon, along with more than 20 GOP senators, say they want out. Nearly 200 nations have agreed to cut carbon emissions with this deal. In a tweet this morning, Congresswoman Debbie Wasserman Schultz wrote, quote, "Syria and Nicaragua are the only nations that didn't sign the Paris Agreement. Nicaragua said it wasn't tough enough." What's Trump's excuse?
If they are patriotic, they contribute in a way they think is right.
Meanwhile, Russian President Vladimir Putin denying publicly any meddling in the 2016 U.S. election. He defended hackers, saying they can be patriots, but added that no hacker can influence election campaigns in any country.
Hackers are free people, just like artists. They wake up in a good mood and paint things.